Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The paper settings in Word let you set the document's paper to match the paper size you need to use to print it. To adjust the paper size of your document, click the Layout tab in the ribbon. Then click the Size drop-down button in the Page Setup button group. Then select from one of the many preset paper size choices that appears. Alternatively, to set a custom paper size in Word, click the More Paper Sizes command to open the Page Setup dialog box and display the Paper tab. On the Paper tab, you can select the paper size from the drop-down or enter the size of your paper into the width and height spinner boxes. If necessary, you can choose a paper source printer tray from the options in the First Page and Other Pages list boxes. A preview of the changes appears within the Preview section. You can then choose to apply the changes to this section if you have section breaks in your document, your whole document, or from this point forward by selecting an option from the Apply To drop-down. Then click the OK button to save the changes you made and close the dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.